Hi, this is William McClain. Today I am actually out in West Broward at a property that I just closed on for one of my investment buyers, but this is the rental property that you want to be looking for if you are looking to rent anywhere here in Broward. If you're looking for great schools, great location, a beautiful house, I'm going to take you inside real quick, but this house is the bomb. Check it out. I'm going to give you a quick tour and then I'm going to tell you a little bit at the end some of the key features in the area and what makes it such a great property. But please, thanks for watching. Go ahead and if you have any questions or comments, please go ahead and comment below, and definitely make sure to subscribe. I'm going to take you inside right now and show you what it's all about. All right, so we're outside right now, and you can just tell from the neighborhood there's great curb appeal. Very well taken care of little community here. Again, location wise, which is what I mentioned before, we're literally right off of I-75 and 595, so it's super convenient getting either north or south or east or west. It's a newer construction home, so it was built in 1996, and not to mention, once you get inside, which you're going to see now, most of the stuff has been upgraded. And here we go. So you'll see beautiful ceramic marble looking floors throughout. You got high ceilings in here, you got newer light fixtures. The house has a lot of light that comes in, natural light. This is looking out from the living room. So if you're looking to find a rental property or home for that matter, and you need a place, let's say you have a dog, it's got to be pet friendly, you don't want to have a condo, this is the type of place you want to aim for. Size wise, in my opinion, it's perfect. You're just under 1,600 square feet, but you got these high ceilings, so the space inside here feels a lot larger than what it may even be looking like on the video. So kitchen here, you see newer kitchen with this sort of cool open concept in here to the living room, all stainless steel appliances. Again, I mentioned those high ceilings. That's looking back out towards the front door. So again, let's say you got kids, you got a dog, this is where you want to be. What's also fantastic about this property is it's got its own pool. Not a community pool, your private pool. So you step right out of your backyard, or right out of your living room for that matter. Boom, you got your pool here. This isn't a little Mickey Mouse pool, this is a legit size pool. You got this wall behind you here, but it gives you privacy, number one, so you don't have a neighbor behind you peeping over the fence or bothering you. And you got this little green patch here. So let's say you got a dog. All right, he's got his little green space here. Over here you have a little area with this pergola setup where you could do some lounge chairs or something underneath it. And then on this side here, this is also our little private yard for this home only. The house next door does not have access to it, and they have glass brick on the windows here, so this is private. So again, you got a dog, this is where you want to be. It's not a huge space, it's just the right size space for a rental. You're not going to be spending a fortune maintaining the lawn. And as a matter of fact, what's cool about this home is that the lawn and pool are covered by the landlord. So you're actually not going to even pay a penny to have this pool looking pristine like you see it, and having the yard well maintained. So it's pretty much autopilot. It's almost like being in a condo and having your own private pool and a beautiful lawn without having to do much. Again, I mentioned size-wise why this is good. So you got those super high ceilings, which I'm showing you, but it's just under 1,600 square feet, so you're not stuck with too much house either to keep clean or have to deal with. So here we have the master, which has these nice windows that look out to the pool. It's a good-sized master. Again, super high ceilings in here. I'd say that's probably up top, probably at least 12, 13 feet high. You got a big walk-in over here. Plenty big for master. And then your master bathroom. You got freestanding tub. You got windows throughout, so it's bright. I mean, the house is bright every which way you go. Super tastefully upgraded. And then you got this really cool glass enclosed shower here, which is nice with the little chrome accents all the way throughout. So I mean, this place is literally just missing your furniture, your dog, and your kids to make this a home. So you got your master on this side, and then you come around the hallway here, so it gives you some privacy from the master. Again, what I mentioned before, everything is newer in here. So you got a newer Carrier AC system, super well maintained. I mean, this AC closet you can almost eat off the floor. That's how clean it is. You got bathroom number 2. Again, nice espresso accents in here, and then shower tub, which is good if you have small kids or big kids, whatever, it's all good. And here you have bedroom number 2. So if you have kids, this little fan with the little globe light would be very cool. And again, these windows that look out, although it looks like we're looking at the house next door, remember what I said, over here, that's glass brick. So they can't, you have privacy on this side. You have no one looking through over here. So even though you see a house there, this is like as private as it gets. No one from that home is able to actually look through and see anything over here. Bedroom number 2. Again, the glass brick, see that right over there? So you got that privacy and you got that green space looking out. Closet on this side. Okay, so getting back to family life, you got that Nest thermostat, which is always good if you're not gonna be home and you need to adjust the temperature. And then you got a newer LG side-by-side high efficiency washer and dryer. You got cabinets in here, so you got a legit laundry room just off the garage. And then again, another great thing about being out west, you got that big 2-car garage with the semi-finished floor. Look at all that space. Look at that. So you got room in here for at least 2 cars, plus tons of storage on the side. You got your hurricane shutters over here. And then in the driveway, you probably have room for at least 3, maybe 4 cars. So if you're ever entertaining or doing a party, having a get together, you got plenty of space. But this is really the type of home you want to look for. Again, if you have pets, no problem. Having your own pool, no problem. Not having to take 2-3 weeks to get approved by an association, no problem. Not having an issue of a gate at the front where your guests can't get through because they're calling you on your phone and you're not picking up, so now they're stuck outside. This is really as good as it gets. It's available now. You can go ahead and contact me directly for the full details. It's probably not going to be available much longer. We're getting a lot of activity on it. It's only been on the market now for a little over a week, and we've had quite a bit of interest in it. But if you can't get this one, this is sort of what you want to aim for. Again, we're coming back outside. That sign, that's a good looking guy right there. But again, quiet neighborhood. You can just see it's super well maintained, super quiet. This is a home. I mean, this is what it's all about. If you can afford this and it's not terribly expensive, again, contact me directly for pricing. This is a great setup that you could have for many years. If you can't afford to buy right now, but you want to have all the benefits of a great home that's actually upgraded, like as if it were for an owner, not a tenant, this is where you want to be. All right, my renters out there, if you're looking to find the perfect rental property in Broward County or anywhere for that matter, I'm going to show you a couple things with this property that we're in right now, one of my rental properties, that you really want to look for that can make a big difference for you in terms of being happy. So number one, you got to go location-wise. So location-wise, where we are right now, you're just off of I-75 and 595, literally right where they both connect. So it's easy to go north and south. You're super close to Sawgrass Mills, Ikea, all the shops, restaurants. If you need to go east or west, super easy. You need to go north and south, also easy via I-75. So here we got location, super important. Number two, when possible, newer construction home, if you can find it. This one has that. It was built in 1996, but everything on the inside has been pretty much remodeled and replaced. So we got new kitchen, new bathrooms, new floors, walls are painted, new AC. So you're not gonna have any problems as a tenant. You're not gonna have an AC that's not running correctly. You're not gonna have things that are breaking down. It's gonna be easy for you as a tenant to be happy and not be dealing with having things fixed or needing service calls to come out and fix things that should be operational. Another one, this home, which is fantastic, it's got a pool, its own pool, not a community pool, your own pool in the backyard. and it's paid for by the landlord, the pool maintenance and the lawn care. So you show up to a beautiful lawn and a beautiful pool every day. None of that comes out of your pocket. Another one, it's a very easy approval with the association and the HOA in this neighborhood. So it's a rapid approval. You don't have to wait 2-3 weeks like some of these places do. You don't have to go through like a very rigorous, complicated screening process. If you get in here, you can get in probably within 2 to 3 days and move in, no hassle, no problem. And then lastly, for the schools, if you have kids, then this is where you want to be. You have A-rated public schools in this school district here for elementary, middle, and high school. So great schools throughout the whole, kindergarten through 12th grade for your kids. That's what you want if you have kids. It's one of the main reasons why you'd be out here in West Broward, and that's it. So you got a newer construction, got your own pool. You got a good size square footage here, just under 1,600 square feet, so it's not too big, that it's too much house to maintain, not too small either. Higher ceilings. So those are the type of things that you want to look for in a rental property when you can find it. This one is still available, so contact me directly. You'll see my info in the info and in the comments below. If you have questions, please comment, and also please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I've got a lot of great content, a lot of tips, and if you have any things that you want me to work on a video for you or questions that you might have, go ahead and drop me a comment. I'll get back to you right away, and maybe I'll crank out a video just for you answering the questions you might have. Again, this is William McClain, your realtor here in Dade and Broward County. Take it easy, guys.